Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 102 PS. Accompanying this is a 6-speed manual transmission. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlights that include LED daytime driving lights, and the Caddy also features a set of front parking sensors. Moving around to the side, we'll find a set of 17-inch Barahona alloy wheels finished in a silver colour and coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find LED rear combination lights, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Caddy features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Another nice addition is the removable and lockable Towbar, which can be found stored underneath the driver's seat. Opening up the rear barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple load flashing rings dotted across the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Behind each door we'll find a small step, and a full black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up in the cab itself we'll find two singular seats, both with an armrest as well as a heated seat function, and the seats come finished in a lovely leatherette upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the centre console we'll find a variety of different charging points as well as a few cup holders, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.